Valentine's already choice, so don't worry, you already have your precision glue gel. So this precision glue gel have a dual end. The other end here, let me close this. I'm showing the features of it, so then you can really definitely utilize this and use it so many different ways. So this is the other end that you can use this. So then you can seal like in a big frame and metals, like you see that I have big frame and metals around. So that's gonna make it proceed faster, so you don't have to go with the needles, precise needle, and go around with that. And we are going to seal on the top. Seals on the top of the metal frame, top and around too at the same time. And then we are going to seal around with all the edges gap. If you're scratchy right here, we're going to seal it in. However, if you need more than just one time, definitely key it first 30 seconds and then go back and seal again. So every time you seal, you are going to need that much. Little go a long way. If you're using too much, it's going to get so much flooded your precision glue gels here, and it's going to make your design look so bulky. Okay, so and when we are doing the sealing and you're feeling it, you have like it extra precision glue gels, I would get the tinted brush on the other end, precision, and I'm gonna give it a little really quick blend, so that way it looks really nice after you cure, so it looks flawless, so it doesn't have a bumpy at all. So cure this first, and then we're gonna talk about the price, how you can price your clients, so then it'll be fair for you and your clients. Again, seals the metals, metal beads, metal frame, metal charms, and make sure you go into any of the edges you feel scratchy right here. You're gonna squeeze just a little bit of your precision glue gels. Guess what happened? It's precision glue gels in the sub box this month. Sub with the confident, and also you get your so many of a nail art and your $50 of a gift card, so you can use it right away. Thank you so much. That's a special gift from Glitz to you for the anniversary month. And we are so excited and grateful for every single of you. Okay, so seals and cure for 60 seconds. I just need to get this spray. Where did you put it? And make sure don't lose this red cap, because this going to be is precision glue gel bestie, so it's prevent from getting leaking and clog on the needle end. So all right, so let's go. So now I was suggesting here is just for your preference. It doesn't have to be concrete to price, so it's really flexible. It's really depends on your business, on your salon location, and on your technique, your skills, and your investment. Like say when you first starts, you are going to running special promotion, you're not